Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Masudharna from ThemeDev. In the previous video, we learned how to install the Cleanly plugin and activate the license. In this video, I will show you the booking from display settings in Cleanly. So in this video, I will explain everything step by step. So for showing booking from in our website, we first we have to create some pages, and for time saving, I already create 3 booking pages. As you can see here, the pages list, and here the booking page I created, and here's the my account, and here term and condition page. So now we can use a 3 way for showing a booking from in our website. First, we can use Cleanly block, Gutenberg block. We can use shortcut, as well as we can just simply select page from the settings. So first, I will show you how we can use Gutenberg block. So for booking from, I already create the form. Just click edit. Okay, if I add a block and search the block Cleanly, okay, we can see there are 4 available block: single Cleanly, multi-step Cleanly, my account Cleanly, and quick book Cleanly. Okay, so my account Cleanly actually for my account page, and quick book Cleanly for actually quick booking from, and this is single and this is multi-step booking. So I just select single booking, then it will appear the single booking from, and if I click save and visit the page, then I can see the single booking from. So there is one way we can use Gutenberg block for showing booking from. Okay, now I go to the settings. Here is display settings. So here I can select for single booking form. I can configure there. We can as well use this shortcut for showing single booking form, or simply we can select this page like booking form, and that is content position. We can use no content on the form. Okay, and as well as here is a option, design option. We can select advanced design style or default style, and here is multi-step booking form. We can use multi-step form. So if I show you the multi-step, so I just select this booking page and no content, and layout. We can available 2 layout, like a left design or top design. By default top. So if I click save all changes and reload the booking page again, now I can see the multi-step booking form, and here is design style is top design. So I can select as well left design. So if I select left design, then we can see the uh, step in left sidebar. So reload. Here is left sidebar style. So we can select top or left as you wish. It's depend up to you. So there is a my account section. We can select my account page, or we can use this shortcut inside the my account page. So I just select the my account page. Okay, select, and as well the content position, we can select no content on the my account page. And here is also uh, layout 2 option. This is default, and we can select top. Okay, I just select my account page. Okay, and if I show you the my account page, click save change, and I have to go the my account page. So I just click all page, and this is my account. Just view on my account page. So this is my account page, and it actually depend on your theme design. That's why here showing unnecessary left sidebar. But this is the my account page, and customer can see their order and their others information from this page. Okay. So here quick booking form, we can also use a quick booking form for uh, showing a quick booking form. So for that I have to create a new pages. So I just create another pages for showing purpose. Okay, like I write the name quick booking and publish. Okay, we can also set the template layout here, Elementor Fluid, so that this website is website creating with Elementor page builder. Okay, and after reload these settings, and I can now I select the quick booking from page. Just select quick booking form and content no position, and here is title. We can change the title and subtitle. It depend up to you. We can set your own title. And here is action URL. This is actually optional. It actually mean when click the submit, then which page it redirect. So we can select this page for redirect. Okay. Okay, here is option enable or disable the label. If we want, we can disable the label. Okay, and after that, take save change. Now, if I visit this page, quick booking form, okay, I just click on page and visit this page. So this is our quick booking form. We can select the bedroom, the bathroom. Actually, this design depend your theme. That's why they are uh, showing this style. Okay, and after selecting, just click schedule appointment, and it redirect the booking page. Okay, so hopefully you can understand the quick booking form. And now I just show you the layout position. It's most important. First I select the single booking for better showing, because this layout position only work for single booking form. So I just deselect the multi booking. Okay, only a single page booking, and reload this page again. Now this is a single booking form. So here for layout changing, we see the two options: service position and section position. Section position actually means the section. This is actually a service section. This is personal section, as well as payment section and other thing. So also, if I select the advanced design and save change, now if I reload the page, you can now see the better. Actually, this is the service section. This card is service section. This is actually personal section, and then payment section. So for payment, we need to enable this option. I will show you later the payment. Okay. So now I select the section position. Section position, like there showing personal and service position. So if I uh, service position put under the personal and click save change, and again reload this booking form. Now I can see the personal section is a top position and service section is a last position. This is actually a section layout positioning. This is section position layout positioning. So I just service again. top position. And this is service position actually, under the service card we can see this is a service type, this is a service, this is additional service, this is a date selection service. So we can uh, m- manage this positioning actually, like we can select type under the date, or we can service under the date. Then we can set these settings. So now if I reload the booking from again, okay, now we can see here is uh, type, and here is under the date settings we can see the service, and we can see the type. Actually this is we can moving easily if we need. So I just again reset this service position, okay, and click save. Now we can see the another option, booking summary. We can set this option as well, and we can say see this option the other under the other settings. Okay, so here the booking summary option. So booking under the booking summary, first we can enable or disable summary. If we want not showing the summary, then we can disable this option. So if I show you the what happened, so if I reload again this page, and we can see there nothing showing the booking summary. So if I enable, then it will show, and this is the title. This is a booking summary title. We can change this title. Actually it depend up to you. We can you can set the title what you need. Okay, now showing the summary. This is booking summary, and we can change this title here. Here is option for hide item. We can hide some item, like if I show here showing the service, here is frequency, and here is extra service. So if I want to remove the like type and service item, like date time, then set change. Then under the booking summary, it will be hide. Okay, we can see just the frequency showing and extra item showing, other thing not showing. So we can hide if any needed. Okay, and here is hide item hide item option. We can hide, like hide the price, we can hide the quantity, or we can hide a price or quantity, like uh, this price and this quantity. Okay, so we can select by default. And here is icon position. This icon position will appear under the mobile view. So if I visit the booking page with mobile view, then we can understand properly. So we can select the mobile view. Okay, we can see the card icon. It's actually show when we visit the mobile device, and when click this card icon, then it will show the booking summary. See that? Okay. So in these settings, we can where we can see the icon position bottom right, bottom right. That's why we can see the bottom right position. We can select a bottom left. When we select bottom left, then it will appear the bottom left position here. Okay, and also here is the option mobile position. We can enable or disable this option. So if we disable this option, then the icon not display, and it showing the booking summary in fixed position on the mobile view. So if I enable this option, and we can select after booking form or before booking form. Okay, by default it's set after booking forms. And there is a term and condition. We can select our term condition page. This is the term condition page, and we can uh, write the term text title here. We can change, and here is submit settings. We can change the submit button text. Like here is the confirm booking, this button title, so we can change this title, and it depend up to you. And here is success message. We can select this success. We can change this message, and when booking success, then this message will appear. So hopefully you can understand everything, how the display settings work and how we can showing the booking form on our website. So if you have any question or concern, just let me know in the comment box, then I will reply you. So until then, stay safe and healthy. Have a great day.